let us also look about oral question. So possible oral question yenye unaweza ni kwamba when you go to test, the examiner will test the level of your skill now. And the first question in utapata ukienda test is that what is the rule the road in Kenya? Are we together? And that's obvious ni nini? Always keep left and overtake from right when the road is clear. Are we together? Then which side are we allowed to overtake from? We are allowed to overtake from right. Are we together? Then there's also another question. At when can you overtake from the left? That one you can overtake from the left when the vehicle in front is standing right there. That is one. Second, you can overtake from left if you are on a one-way traffic road, because one-way vehicles are moving to the same direction. Number three, when there's an accident on the right and there's a space on the left, you still can overtake from the left. Number four, when ordered by traffic police officer in uniform. Then another oral question is that causes road accident. One, we have overspeeding. If you overspeed, that's obvious you have to involve in a road accident. Then overloading. Then after overloading, we have drunkenness. Drunkenness, driving when you are drunk, obviously we lose a lot of things, concentration. You know, driving with drunkenness, alcohol reduces drivers' reaction on the road. That's why when you are drunk, you are required to just have a rest. Then carelessness. Carelessness is a situation whereby one fails completely to obey the traffic rules. When you come across yellow continuous, instead of obeying that, then you are taking at yellow continuous. Then another question, when can you switch on the light during the daytime? That's also another oral question. So you can only switch on the light during the daytime when there's a rainfall. Kama kuna mvua. Are we together? Then you can also switch on the light during the daytime when there's a mist or fog. And also when the road is dusty and during emergencies. Sawa. Then we also used to talk about 3 rules of model town board, where we said use the shortest and most correct route without using, use the longest and most correct route without using, and lastly use parking at the last options. Those are possible oral questions in the pattern. Then how many eyes does a good driver have? 3, top of 3. That is 2 natural plus 1 artificial, which is mirror. How many wheels does a saloon car have? 5. But there you have to use it and explain. That is 4 moving plus 1 function is there. Where does the law require to stop? The law can require to stop when you are at the stop sign. Sawa. When the traffic light change to red. When ordered by traffic police officer in uniform. So that is when you can, where that's the occasion where the law requires to stop. When are you not allowed to drive despite having 3 valid requires document? You are only allowed to. You are only allowed. Okay, you are not supposed to drive when you are drunk. Are we together? When you are drunk, you are not supposed to drive. Right? Another one. When you are sick, you are not supposed to. You are not supposed to. When you are sick, you are not supposed to drive. Right? When court order. Here. If you have a court order, then you cannot drive when you are drunk. Are we together? Now, when we come to let's reverse features of model town board, then tuangalie hizo possible questions. So we say the model town board is just a representation of road network on a board that's found in major town within Kenya and East Africa. So if you have driving license right now, you are allowed to drive within East Africa countries. That is Kenya, Uganda and Tanzania. And the road in Kenya says that always keep left. So you have to stick that into mind. You get an ukienda kwa test. So model town board has got several features. Feature number 1 we said green vegetation. So this is green vegetation. The other one we have traffic island. That's one of the features. Then the other one we have roundabout. That's a feature. Then we have one-way traffic road. We also have two-way traffic road. Then we have 2 types of parking. We have anchor parking and flash parking. Then we also have pedestrian crossing. Then we also have far entrance and far exit. Those are features of model town board. Then there are 2 types of road. We have major road and minor road on a one-way traffic road, right? So let us also look at the options of the lanes. On a one-way traffic road, we have major road and minor road. So we have the first lane is called first industrial lane. Lane number 1 has got 2 functions. Either you can make an L-turn to left or you go straight by taking the first lane. Lane number 2 is called filter. Filter has got only 1 option. Anyway, even if you are here, you got only 1 option. Then lane number 3, we have got 2 functions. That is L-turn to right or you go straight by taking lane 3. Then lane number 4 has got 4 functions. You can either make an L-turn to right, make a U-turn, go back to where you come from. You can make an O-turn to 70 degrees to left direction. You can also make complete turn 360, but in either state. So